Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Today, guys, I will share some informations related instrumentations. So, instrumentations of instrument. So, what is the instrument? Hook up drawing. So, basically, if you are instrument control, of course, you know all of this. So, instrument hook up drawing. Okay, so instrument hook up drawing, what is the basis of the hook up instrument drawing? What did you understand? So hook up instrument, there are two kinds that we are referring for our drawings. So in our drawings we are referring hook up drawings that we are looking for process hook up drawing, and maybe looking for a pneumatic hook up drawing. So there's a process hook up drawing, and then we have pneumatic hook up drawing. So okay, so hook up drawing is a detailed drawing showing guys that's installation of instrument correct manner. So I have an instrument, I have a tubing connected along the way towards our process line and also to our transmitter. So that's operates and give access to the maintenance, operation and maintenance. All right. So as I mentioned the previous video, that's kinds of instrument tubing and also what is the operation system. So that's part of the sequence and also type of hook up drawings. Okay, so now this is the combinations, this is the sharing continuous of our learning related instrumentation. Okay, so detailed hookup drawing is indicates the tubing, okay, how the slope, so 1:12 the slope, and then the positioning of the instrument, where did you position of your transmitter, and where is your tapping point. The tapping point, guys, this is your process line, and then we have a tapping point for our tubing, our connections. So that's the important, and that's to be shown in our hookup drawing. Okay, so the process hookup drawing, it's also showing also the typical installation of instrument connections to the process. Okay, and for the pneumatic, that hookup drawings remains typical installations. It's instruments that's required for the instrument air, such as control valve or actuated valve. So that's part of our pneumatic instrument. So meaning pneumatic, you can say that right? So that's air. So if you can see, if you can hear this one, if you can see this pneumatic, basically that's connections to the instrument air. Okay, that's like a sounds of when you're pressing the brake of the dump truck. So that's air compressor. Okay, so that is part of the process. Instrument air, so that's pneumatic hookup. You can see that one, control valve, actuated valve. So and now what is another reference of your drawing? To see this, you need to check the PNID. So PNID, that is a piping and piping instrument. Okay, so that's the detailed design and detailed specification as well, and you need to check the data sheets. So part of the verifications of your installations and your testing and commissioning, pre-com, etc. So this is a part of your journey if you have an idea for the instrument. Okay, so now you know already some ideas, and it's good. And then you can apply this if you are in the construction. You can ask the personnel who are involving these kinds of work, then query, and you can gain more knowledge. Okay, so from the theory and actual, because if you can see the actual, you can clearly identify, this is the one that he's telling, and this is the one. So remember the previous video that I'm telling you, diaphragm, what is the flange, and what kind of capillary tubing and anything, right? So see you guys, and hope this will be give you an idea about the instrument hookup drawing and also how the installation it works. All right, see you guys, bye bye.